Here this is insertion sort. First my input element is this one. Everyone completely focus here. Then you will understand in 5 minutes. It is my guarantee, yes, how it will work. I am taking one, that is 9, 5, 1, then 4, 3, then 4, 3. This is my array. Okay. This is my array. Now logic, first understand the logic. Then you will understand what is going on. My logic is what? Logic is here. I am thinking that first element is already sorted. I am thinking one part is sorted, another part is unsorted. Now one by one we will take the key. That this is already sorted means this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will start running from 1. I will take my key as this element. So this is my key. After that we are checking with the sorted one. This is sorted one. I am checking with this one. If it is less than, then I am going to put it into the left hand side. Otherwise I am going to put it in right hand side. So this is the for loop here. I value, how the ij is changing, that game try to understand. What is the game here? Here first time when I got it, my I value is 1. My I value is first time, concentrate here, I value is 1. I is going I less than n. Key value is what? Key value is A1. A1. That means your 5. Key is 5 here. What is J? J is I minus 1. That means 0. So why I am making it? Because through the I am passing this one. Through the J I am passing opposite one. I will increase here, J will decrease here. Because one by one I will compare and I am trying to put my key element into the correct place. Not like beginning or ending, it should be in correct place. I will check if it is less than left hand side, greater than right hand side. How to find out the correct place? That is my target. So this is done. Now I am coming to the while loop. This is the main condition here. While loop will run if this two condition is true, and as it is while loop, it can run multiple times. It is not a for loop. So first time I am checking j greater or equals to 0. Yes, j greater or equals to 0, true. ai greater than key. Ai not aj. Here it is aj greater than key. What is aj? Aj means A0 greater than key, that is 5. A0 is 9. 9 greater than 5. Yes, 9 greater than 5. So this one j equals to 0 and 9 greater than 5, both are true. When both are true, you are going to enter into the while loop. Now in the while loop, what I am doing? A j plus 1 equals to j. So a j plus 1, j is 0, 0 plus 1 equals to aj, that means a0. So a1 equals to a0, that is I am doing a1 equals to a0. So what is my a0 element? 9, right? a1 equals to a0. So I am going to replace this 5 with 9. That's what we did. Means 9 is shifted here. 5 going to replace with 9. So now my array will looks like this. This is also 9, this is also 9, this is 1, this is 4 and this is 3. It is looking like this one. Now I am doing j equals to j minus 1. So now my j value is decreasing to minus 1. Previously it was 0, now it is minus 1. Now again I will check the while condition, because while is checking condition again and again. Now this condition will be false. because the condition is j greater or equals to 0. J is minus 1. The condition is false. So it will come out from the while loop. It will execute this one. It is executing this one means aj plus 1. Aj minus 1 plus 1 equals to key. What is your key value? 5. That means a0 equals to 5. You are doing a0 equals to 5. So now this is my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 0 equals to 5. So now you are getting this array 5, 9, 1, 4, 3. This is the array, you got it now. So this is end. First iteration is end. Now you will go for the second iteration. You will increase the value of I. Got it? Now I am going to increase the value of I. So now I value is increasing to 2. I value increased to 2. Key value is what now? A2. Key value is A2. So what is my key value is now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 now. Key value is 1 now. J is I minus 1. So j is I minus 1 means I value is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now my j value is 1. Now again I will come to this while loop. Whenever I am coming to this while loop, I am checking j greater or equals to 0. Yes. Aj greater than key. What is my aj? Aj is a1. A1 greater than the key element. Key element is also 1. Is it true? A1, what is the value here? 9. 9 is greater than 1? Yes, 9 is greater than 1. So it is true. As this both condition is true, I am coming here. Aj plus 1 equals to aj. That means I am doing aj plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1 equals to a1 plus 1 equals to a1. That means a2 equals to a1. So in this place I am putting 9. That is done. So now 9 is going here. Done. Now j equals to j minus 1. So now j value is again 0. 1 minus 0, that is 0. Now again while loop will execute. Again it will check the while loop. J is greater or equals to 0. Yes, j value is 0 now. J is greater or equals to 0. Now aj greater than key. Yes, you can see here now aj, that is a0. A0 is greater than key. What is my key element? Key element is 1. So a0 is 5. 5 is greater than 1? Yes, 5 is greater than 1. That's why what I will do, as 5 is greater than 1, then I am coming here again. So what I am doing here, inside the while loop, aj plus 1, that means a0 plus 1 equals to a0. That is we are doing a0 plus 1 equals to a0 means a1 equals to a0. So 9 is shifted to 5 now. 9 is changed to 5 now. Done. Now j equals to j minus 1. So now j is minus 1. Now you are coming to loop again. Now this is false because now this is minus 1. Now this is false. Now you are going to execute this line. You are coming out from the while loop. You are going to execute this line. What is this? aj plus 1. A minus 1 plus 1 equals to key. What is my key value? 1. So a0 equals to 1. So now I am making this 0 equals to 1. So now you see that yes, your array is now What? You got the array and now your array is looking like this. Now your array is looking like 1, 5, 9, 4, 3. See that? I got the correct position for 1 and 5. Yes, I already got the correct position for this. This is done. Got it? How it is working? How this is working? Now what I will do? Last time my I value I was working with 2. Last time my I value was 2, right? Yes, I was working with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time my I value was 2 and now I value is incremented to 3. I value incremented to 3. My key value is now 9 because A3 equals to 9. A3 equals to 4. Key value is A3. A3 equals to 4 now. And J value is I minus 1, that means 3 minus 1, that means 2 now. J value is 2 now. So actually I am doing with this one and till this is sorted and this is unsorted, like that we are thinking. Now same way I will come to this while loop and I will execute the while loop. I am coming to this while loop now. Aj greater than 0, yes. Aj greater than key. See that? Aj greater than key. Aj, J value is 2. A2 greater than 4. A2 value is 9. 9 is greater than 4. Yes, 9 is greater than 4. So it will insert into the loop. Aj plus 1 equals to Aj. Aj plus 1 means 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 equals to A2. So 9 is here. Now 4 is changed to 9. J equals to J minus 1. It will do 2 equals to 1. Now after that, again it will run the while loop. J greater than 0, yes, greater or equals to 0. Aj greater than key. Now again I am checking that what is my Aj value? J is 1. A1 greater than 4. What is the value of A1? 5. 5 is greater than 4? No. Here this condition is true. Yes, 5 is greater than 4. It is true. So as it is true, I am going to enter here again. Again I will do Aj plus 1. So Aj plus 1 means J value is 1. 1 plus 1 means 2 equals to A1. So 2 equals to A1 means the 5 is going here. I am going to do 5 here. The 9 will be changed to 5 here, right? This is done. Now after that, J minus, that's why J is now 0. J will be 0 now. Now again you are coming to this while loop. Again J greater or equals to 0, yes. Again you are checking this condition. What is this condition? Aj, what is my value? A0. A0 greater than key. What is my key? 4. A0 is what? A0 is now 1. 1 is greater than 4? No, it is false. 1 is not greater than 4. This is false. So as it is false, it will not run this while loop now. Now this while loop will not run. It will not run. It will not do anything. And then what it will do, as it is not running, then this condition is false. Actually this condition is false. Whenever this condition is false, it is coming out from the while loop, because while condition is false means it is coming out. Whenever it is coming out, now it is J plus 1. So it is 0 plus 1 equals to the key. What is my key value? Key value is 4. So A1 equals to 4. So I am going to put here 4. Right. So I got my array like this: 1, 4, 5, 9, 3. Because see that 9 was changed to 5, that is here 5. 5 was changed to 4, this is 4, right? And 1 is as it is. Now 9, now 3. This array you got it now. Yes. Now I will increase the I value. Now I am going to increase, for the last time we will run. I am going to increase the I value here. So I value is changing to 4 now. I is 4 now. So I is actually pointing to here. This is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And key is what? Key is your AI, that is 3. Key is 3 here. What is your J? J value is I minus 1, means 3. Now again you are coming to while loop. Whenever you are coming to while loop, J greater or equals to 0, yes. AJ greater than key. So AJ means 3. A3 greater than key. What is your key element? 3. A3 is 9. 9 is greater than 3. Yes, 9 is greater than 3. So I am coming to this loop. I will do AJ plus 1. That means A3 plus 1, that is 4, equals to A3. So A4 equals to A3. That means this is 9. Now J equals to J minus 1. This is now 2. Now again I am going to run this loop. J is greater or equals to 0. Yes. AJ greater than key. Now again check the condition that AJ, A2 greater than key. What is my key here? 3. A2 greater than 3. A2 value is what? A2 value is 5. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, this condition is true. I am going to do AJ plus 1. That means J value is 2 here. 3 equals to AJ. That is A2. A3 equals to A2. So you are making this 5 here. A3 equals to A2. Done. Now J equals to J minus 1. So it is 1 now. Now again you are going to run this loop. It is true. And again you are making A1 greater than the key, that is 3. So A1 is what? A1 is 4. 4 greater than 3. Yes, this is also true. As this is true, again you are coming here that AJ plus 1, that means 1 plus 1, 2 equals to A2 equals to A1. A2 equals to A1. Yes. Then I am making this one that 4 is greater than 3. Yes, that is done. So A2 equals to A1. That means 4 is going here. Yes, 4 is going here. Done. Now J equals to J minus 1. So I am making it 0. I am making it 0. I am going to run again this while loop. This condition is true. A greater or equals to 0. AJ greater than key, that is A0. A0 is greater than key, that is 3. A0 is greater than 3. A0 value is 1. 1 is greater than 3. No, this is false. This is false. As this is false, this loop will not execute. It will come out from the loop. It will execute this line. That means AJ plus 1. AJ plus 1 is 0 plus 1 equals to key. That is my key value is 3. So A1 equals to 3. So I am going to put A1 equals to 3. Done. My loop is done. I am going to come to this for loop, and actually you see that now I value is increased to 5, and I am going to end it because I greater than I less than n. My n value was 4 and this is now false. I am going to end my loop, and I got actually my sorted array 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. This is actually sorted. This is now sorted 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. So you end the loop and you got a sorted array. This is the way you have to understand the programming. When you are running programming properly, when you are running like this way, then your concept is getting clear. If you want to be strong in computer science, then definitely you have to learn like this way. You have to execute each and everything one by yourself with full concentration, full focus. If you full concentrate, full focus, then you will understand everything. That is we did, right? I hope it is clear to everyone. Now no doubt. Now you can see that what will be the complexity then. Now tell me what will be the complexity then. Is there any doubt now? How many of you have doubt till now? Tell me. I hope now anyone don't have any doubt. Everything is clear. Those who are listening, those who are till now listening, tell me, yes ma'am, I am listening. I want to see the comment. Yes, I was listening ma'am. I know, I understand that. Yes. Here the beauty is that, here the beauty is what? Beauty is that if you are taking this array as a input now, that is a sorted array, you will see that you will run this for loop, but this while condition will be always false. This while condition will be always false, and that's why this while loop will never execute. You will increase one by one, I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 4, but this while loop will never execute. As it is already sorted, this condition will be always false, and that's why the best case, in the best case you are running it only for n time, and the while loop is not executing one time also, and that's why the best case will come here order of n. In worst case, it will be order of n square. That is I who have taken. Here it is a worst case where it was unsorted. Every time we execute the while loop. To explain you clearly, I have taken this example so that you understand how it is working. It was the worst case. But if you take this one as a input, this is already sorted, you will see that this while loop will never execute. Only the outer for loop will execute, and then it will return the result. That means best case is n, worst case is order of n square. Clear to everyone? I hope so. Yes. So that's why here you can see the time complexity. The order of time, this is selection sort, insertion sort. So the time complexity is order of n square for the worst case, best case order of n, average case is also order of n square, and it is a in place algorithm. Because we make it sorted, unsorted, we change the ij, but in the same array only we did it. We did not take any other array, and that's why here it is in place algorithm, and space complexity is order of 1. There is no change, space complexity. Okay, I hope it is very clear to everyone. Yes. Thank you those who are listening till now. Hats off to your patience. Hats off to my patience. Till now, those who are watching, hats off to you, and yes, comment me that yes ma'am, I watched completely. Good.